Hi guys, it's Tyler, and we're gonna play this epic Disneyland server. It's Big Thunder Mountain. We might have time for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in Walt Disney World, but right now we're in Disneyland. So let's go. We may go on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, but first we're gonna go on Big Thunder Mountain starting. Yeah, let's go. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna have time for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Probably. I thought this was gonna be pretty slow. Okay. Can't do the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. If I get stuck in line again, I'll just probably do Incredicoaster or something like that if we have time even. But yeah, something like that. Even if we have time. Oh, this is my favorite part. TNT. Oh my gosh, it's blowing up. Click. Let's go. I don't know why. I feel like this is a little faster than the one in real life. I don't know why. I feel like it is. I was thinking of doing Seven Dwarfs Mine Train since they're both little mountains and they're both roller coasters. Oh, I'd say the water splash. Huh, cool. There's a lot of things they put in here I didn't know about Disneyland. Well, Minecraft Disneyland, stuff you could do on here. Oh, and guys, right when we get off this ride, I think I'm going to show you my costume I got at the store. There was all kinds, but I picked Jack Sparrow. I'll show you it. Let's show you my. Hi guys. So I picked Captain Jack Sparrow, so I think we might have time for one more ride. Let's see. Like I said, I think this is the coolest server I've been to. Let's go. Okay, so we're at the 7. It's night. I hate when it's night because the lines are so dark. I don't know why. I should have gone the fast line. But I could always jump over the gate. And I'm surprised there's no rules. There's no rules on this. So I just don't know. Hold on. Hold on, I'm stuck. Let's go back. Look like I could go also over here even. Okay, now let's go. So $7 mine train. And also this gives me money, guys. So I'm glad I'm doing this one. Since it gives me money called mine train. Let's do this.
Hey, give me a backwards side.
So guys, let's go. The part I can't wait to show you is how they did the witch and how they did the 7 doors. They did them really cool. I don't know how to do them. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hi ho. I like these roller coasters because you could see like top of the land. The top of the land. By the way, I've never actually been to Walt Disney World, just Disneyland. And yes, California Adventures. I would do Mike and Sully, but Mike and Sully's adventure because, but I don't want to do it because I don't have the audio for that. I have the audio for this, I know. So let's go. $7 my train. Hi ho, it's off to work we go. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. I wish we were actually in a cave and I could see what's in that chest. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, it's off to work we go. Hi ho, hi ho, hi, it's off to work we go. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Okay. It's almost over. I think after this ride, I'm gonna have to be done. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll say all that after the ride. But yeah. This is way better, I think, than all my other ones. Oh, this ride. I try not to talk too much in it so you could hear kind of what's going on and stuff. Like the wolves howling on Big Thunder Mountain. So there's one more part I kind of want to show you guys for the 7 doors. And Snow White, I like how they did. And definitely the witch is a good part. Let's go. Okay, let's hurry, we need. Okay, let's go. Oh, my favorite part. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Hi-ho. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Hi-ho. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. There's no why in the 7 doors. I don't know how they made them moving and dancing. I wish I knew how to do that so I could make that. Thank you for watching, guys. I still have a few more seconds. And I like how they did the witch. I really like that. And see, I get money for this, so I'm glad I did this one. It's cool and all that. There was more hats at the shop. I just picked Captain Jack Sparrow.
He means me and my sister did it.
And just see you later.
it.